Hey, I want to let you in on a little giveaway we are doing for January 25th. If you are an entrepreneur or a product creator that is releasing a product in the future, you want to do two things. You want to test quickly, you want to validate to make sure the market wants what you're buying, or if you have a product that is validated, you want to get really clear on who your demographic is, what price point people are going to buy your product at, or you even want to have a proven play-by-play funnel that you can build your audience and drive traffic through and build up an email list of qualified buyers that are 10 times more likely to follow through and buy your product. If you are interested in getting either of those outcomes for a product that you're bringing to market or a product that you're currently building up an audience for, this giveaway is for you. So on January 25th, I am giving away 3 spots in our new training where you are going to get our VIP funnel template. You're going to get our step-by-step training on how to implement this market test in 30 days or less, and all the ad scripts, email copy, funnel templates, and everything you need to take this test and run with it yourself. So it's really easy. This is an initiative to grow our YouTube channel. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is there's going to be a link below to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, where we release regular content for Kickstarter, e-commerce, or the random Ironman training if you want to follow me on that journey. But also just comment on our latest video with your product name and hashtag giveaway. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions about this in the comments or whatever. But good luck, and we announce the winner right after the contest closes, January 25th, midnight Eastern. All right, take care. Bye.